Halo, Tere, Privyet. Nama saya Senki. Saya dari Indonesia. My name is Senki. I'm from Indonesia. I represent Indonesian community in Estonia. A lot of people, they know Indonesia is a Bali star, only Bali island. But as you know, we have a 17,000 island. We have 600 different ethnics and 1,200 different languages. What we like to do is we have a martial art class, we have a cuisine class, and then we have a cultural night event. You can find us in Tallinn or in Pärnu. Most of all, you can find me in Live Estonia. Tere tulemas, please welcome to Indonesian community in Estonia. Selamat datang di komunitas Indonesia di Estonia.